Konnichiwa, I'm John Hornick. Welcome to my Japanese Faves series, where we'll cover every major type of Japanese food. This lesson is Iga Yaki night, where we'll use a special type of Japanese clay pot called an Iga Yaki grill to allow our guests to cook their own food in an interactive and fun experience. The Iga Yaki grill I'll be using comes from the Iga region of Japan, and Yaki means grill. The clay from Iga is naturally heat resistant and heat retentive, so the grill builds heat gradually and cools slowly. The manufacturer says the clay's glaze produces far infrared radiation, which produces a similar cooking effect to glowing charcoal. So the heat quickly reaches the core of each ingredient. Because of its design, the grill body acts like a hearth and fat drips into a water reservoir, so it produces little smoke. I provide a source for this Iga Yaki grill in the notes. By the way, Iga is also famous for another reason. It is said to be the birthplace of ninja. So let's start cooking.
All right, now here we have the setup for our Iga Yaki grilling night. All right, first here we have the Iga Yaki grill, and this is the grilling surface here. And underneath we have the reservoir that's been about 80% filled with water, and it's sitting on top of a butane burner, okay? And then when we start to cook, we're gonna brush the grill with a little bit of oil, high smoke point oil, so we get less sticking and more browning. And now let's take a look at what we have in setups for each guest. Here we have some asparagus pieces, some sliced shitake mushrooms, some scallions, and then we have some Togarashi and some sea salt and some sesame seeds. And then here we have the GrillGrate or GyuDare. It's G-Y-U-T-A-R-E or G-Y-U-D-A-R-E. I've seen it spelled both ways. And this is a dipping sauce that you dip these things into after they've been grilled, all right? And I have a separate lesson on making the GyuDare. Now, this is the star of the show. Tonight we're using hanger steak. I love beef, but if I had to choose my favorite cut, I'd probably choose hanger steak. And we have this sliced about 1/4 inch thick slices. You could do, I wouldn't do thicker slices, but I would do thinner slices. Now, what the guests are gonna do is they're gonna take pieces and put them on the grill, and they're gonna watch them. And then when the pieces look the way the guest wants them to look, they're gonna take them and put them onto the eating plate, which is here, and then do whatever dressing they want, the sesame seeds or the sea salt or the Togarashi or the GyuDare. Now, while we're cooking and eating, I'm not gonna be doing any talking. I will be doing some video.